Hey friends, so I got the sublimation oven and I want to try to sublimate inside of a mug. I don't know if it's going to work or not, but let's try it out. So the sublimation oven is pretty easy to use. All you do is turn it on and then you set the temp and then you press the time button and then you turn the dial until you get the correct time. The following steps I would do if I was sublimating the outside of the mug. I've never tried doing it on the inside, so I'm not necessarily sure if these are the correct steps to do it for the inside. If you've ever done an inside mug, let me know in the comment. But essentially what I did is I'm taking my sublimation print and I'm cutting it out really small just so I can shove it down into the hole of my mug. And then I'm just going to cover the entire print with heat resistant tape and then just setting that into my mug and making sure that the tape is all nice and stuck down in there so there's no like air gaps. Okay, so I'm done prepping the mug. I'm just going to take it over to the sublimation oven and then put it in the oven, press the play button and pray that it works. Bets on whether or not this worked or not. Who thinks that it works? Okay, so after 15 minutes, just take the mug out of the oven. Make sure to use a mitt because that mug is going to be so stinking hot. It looks like it works, so I don't know. Wait until the mug is cooled and then you can take your print off. Okay, 1, 2, 3, look. It doesn't work. Oh my gosh, I am so mad.